Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we're going to be talking about if you guys can still get rich with these AI agents, as there's been a lot coming up. You got Virtuos Genesis launches that's still popping in there. ACP is there, right? And then you got CreatorBid and their V2 that's actually in the works. Well, not in the works, actually out as of right now, that has some people talking about it. So it seems a little quiet on the agent space, but if you guys are paying attention, you guys are able to make money, especially right now on CreatorBid, as they had two recent good launches that you guys could have probably got into and probably, cheated, but you would have been in jail as well. But as of right now, things is looking pretty good, so we got to talk about these agents as of right now. So before we get into talking about all of that, I would like to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We on the road to 20k subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you guys think down below, and while you guys are down there, you guys can hit that Discord link to join the Discord to continue the crypto conversation we're having daily. And you guys can ask all your questions on how does that Patreon group works. As you guys know, we have been getting into private sales. We have been making some banger of calls in that whole Patreon group as of right now, especially when it comes down to the agents, right? So you guys do not want to miss out on that and just stay ahead of the game, the Patreon group. And also remember, my ebook just went live on Amazon, so you guys can go ahead and check it out there. As of right now, they do have a sale going on for free. Maybe by the time this goes up, it probably won't be on sale anymore, as it was a promotion, but it's pretty much the same price as it is on Patreon as of right now. Because if you guys want to be able to pick out the next gem of cryptocurrency, you guys will need this ebook to help you guys understand market cap, FDV, circulating supply and demand, investing, all of that goes into picking out the next gem of your cryptocurrency portfolio. So check that out. Links will be in the description and the comment section down below. Let's get right into the video, guys. So CreatorBid right now is around that time where it's pretty much trying to get some of the hype for their agents. They recently launched their V2. That in a previous video, and to be honest, at this point in time, I actually did think that the token bid itself would be a lot higher than where it's at right now, but I've heard that a huge whale just sold a lot. So we'll see if it could shake off that little, the little dump and come back from there, because as it comes back, I do believe that its ecosystem will come back harder too. As you guys can see, we're still up 2x on Michael Taylor here, which is sitting at a $2.2 million market cap. It was starting to get to that move where it was trying to break out, go a lot higher, right? If you guys see, its all-time high was about 26 days ago, where it did hit about 19 cents. So it's down 43% from its all-time high. And I always tell you guys to follow Jeff, because he's always early on plays as well. As you guys can see, for now, the clearest play on CreatorBid's ecosystem is Taylor, given it's been lagging versus its peers. The team utilizes the Rayon Lab squad to build an agent that integrates several subnets. This is about BitTensor, right? Offering high quality research on BitTensor subnets and CreatorBid through their terminal, right? So that essentially they was comparing Taylor to like Vader and AI XBT in one for the CreatorBid ecosystem, which is why I was pretty interested into it. So again, if CreatorBid, like I said, is able to get the hype, it definitely could make you guys some money with Michael Taylor and their recent launches. One being Rzzy here, which actually came out and did a little bit above a 10x, right? I already called it in the Discord. I didn't get into the launch on CreatorBid because I was waiting to see how it's going to play out after it launches. I'm waiting for the first few to actually come out and see how they play out. Two so far has come out and they have dumped immediately. So I was looking into like how the G penalty is going to work for these guys that are invested into essentially the launch pad and end up selling, which I'm not mad about. I'm just looking at how it's going to play out. So you guys can see, as of right now, it did get up to about 12 cents and just dumped as people started to dump it. And right now it could be at its floor. You can see its fully diluted valuation is $1.3 million. So it's not really, it's a micro cap as of right now. So it's down 48% from its all-time high of 3 days ago. And the other one that launched was also Yuki. This also I did call out and did pretty decent as it came out, right? And it did also dump as well. So if you guys are able to, if you guys wanted to stomach essentially the Jeep penalty, which is harsh, it's not like Virtuos Jeep penalty, but it's still harsh nonetheless, right? Essentially, if you guys are able to stomach that, you guys can get into these trade, you can only possibly get into one, because the way their penalty is, it will make it harder for you to get into the next one, or even have a higher allocation in the next one. So if you find a good one, you can cheat and then definitely make some good money on it as of right now. So the same plays out just like Virtuos. It depends on how you guys are just looking at things. So I will be keeping a close eye on the Creator Bid V2 launches and discussing that in the Patreon group as well. Once I find something I really want, I may definitely get into the launchpad launch, so I don't have to buy it on the open market and possibly maybe dump. We'll see how the trading goes as of right now. Now, going on to the virtual side of things, when it comes down to the agents, it's still nice and warm there. I think that you guys still should be paying attention there, because we did just hit a big one that we called out about 7 months ago, and people done forgot. I asked some people in the group if they were still holding, and they're holding perfect right now, right? So first one we were talking about is Axel Rod here. You guys already know, we've told you guys this is probably going to be the main ACP agent, as like the best beta to ACP right now. It's sitting at an $18 million market cap, fully diluted valuation of 32. And if you scroll down, its all-time high was about a month ago, where it hit about just under 5 cents. Now, you guys should already know everything about Axel Rod, as it's basically the new autonomous hedge fund on Virtuos as of right now. So this is the one that has me pretty excited for it, because you guys know I'm very excited about autonomous hedge funds, what AI agents could do, basically trading for you and things like that. So, and I've seen some people actually using their hedge fund and actually making some decent gains off of it. So remember, keep an eye on Axel Rod. As that ACP starts to get a little bit better and there's more demand for it, I do believe that Axel Rod will be the one to actually truly benefit off of it. Now, Voice of Gods by Virtuos is the banger I'm going to be talking about here. Now, this I don't think it's going to be a part of the ACP, but if they do change things and become a part of the ACP, this is going to be crazy. As of right now, we're looking at this. I got to show you guys this post here first before we continue on here. As I told you guys, don't forget what I said. Sometimes you just got to let actions speak louder than words. As you can see here, we called Adam around a 850K market cap. This is like right after the FUD, and they started to clear it up, showing basically the CEO. And I was already telling you guys, maybe Adam will be the next Tibber. As you guys seen, Tibber started to explode and went crazy because they did a stealth launch, and Adam basically it's kind of the same play that I was looking at when it come down to Tibber. And we also did make a video on Adam a while back, which you guys could have got an opportunity to get into. But as of right now, you guys can see 850K market cap to 200, not 200, sorry, I'm ahead of myself there. But a $23 million market cap. That is insane gains as of right now that I was able to get my Patreon group members, the ones that held, of course, this type of gains here, right? Right now, we're still sitting around its all-time high, and people are excited about this. This starts like a snowball effect. Once it starts to explode and more people start to talk about it, more people start to chase that price, it starts to go higher for the ones that were already in pretty early, and they could decide to get out whenever. This was an easy way to build up the portfolio a little bit more. So these are the type of plays that you can definitely still find when it comes down to the agents, but you just got to be more savvy about what you're looking for when it comes down to the agents, because this one was clear as day who the founder was, what he was building, how much they raised, and things like that for the agent. If you just had to follow him, that was it specifically. Which is why when agents started to run, I told you guys, whoever the dev is the most important thing to the success for essentially the agent. Now, another one that is looking like is becoming a blue chip of an agent in terms of the Virtuos like protocol and things like that, also a part of ACP, is Mammo. Mammo has been honestly going way too crazy, sitting at a $54 million market cap as of right now, right? A fully diluted valuation of 165. Its all-time high was just 10 days ago, where it's only down 10%. So it's literally sitting around its all-time highs as of right now. And they're constantly building, guys. They're constantly building. This isn't just a regular agent anymore, right? So a new revenue stream just landed at USDC. The Mammo / USDC trading pool is now live on Aerodrome, the largest decentralized exchange on Base. When people trade Mammo, earn platform fees. If you hold Mammo in the account, those earnings will follow back to you. This is crazy, guys. They are helping you guys make some good money over here on Mammo. If any of you guys tried Mammo, let me know in the comment section down below, because I think I'm going to do an experiment. I was supposed to do the experiment on this one, especially with one of my guys, I think Perez from the Discord. He brought it up to me once Mammo first launched, and it started to go crazy. Honestly, I wanted to make a test around it since then, but I haven't had the time. But the whole thing is, I do believe that agents can make you some money, right? But you're going to have to be very particular in spotting out the very good agents that will make you this type of returns. Things like Atom, you're not going to get all the time. Things like Mammo, you're not going to get all the time. Same as Axel Rod. And where this potential gains may come from now could be on creator bid, depending on how much they continue to build out and what launches there, what teams / devs decide to launch their agent on there, because they're competing with Virtuos as of right now, and Virtuos basically is set in stone at this point in time. But I want to know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed to it yet, please do so. We're on that road to 20k subscribers, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, you too.